SBA Publications.
Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are happy and healthy in your home. This is your mentor Soni Sati, and today with me we will start a new chapter, that is the chapter number 8. And the name of our chapter is Addition and Subtraction up to 100. In the previous class, in the previous video, we learned about the numbers from 1 to 100 up to 100. Now we will do addition and subtraction of those numbers. So let's start with me. As you can see here in the board, there is a picture of a ice cream seller and the kids around us. Count, add and write the numbers of objects in the boxes. यहाँ हमें क्या करना है? काउंट करना है and then हमें उनका सम लिखना है. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 ice creams. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. There are total 4 ice creams. Now putting them together in addition as a sum we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 ice creams. Similarly, 6 plus 2 are 8 ice creams. Okay, so here what we did? We did nothing but addition of the things. Okay, so now we are moving to our concept. The first one is addition without regrouping. Add a 2-digit number and a 1-digit number. So here is the example of adding 2-digit number and 1-digit number. Add 32 and 5. Step number 1. What we will do? Add the ones. The very first step of our sum is adding the ones. So 2 ones and 5 ones are 7 ones. And we will also make a column to make it easier to solve. So 3 and 2, 32. So we will put 2 in the ones column and 3 in the tens column. Now we have 5. So we will put 5 in the ones column because 5 is at the ones place. Now 2 and 5 are 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 2, 6 and 7. So we write here 7. Then the step number 2 is adding the tens. Add the tens. 3 tens plus 0 tens are 3 tens. So 3 tens plus 0 are 3 tens as completed here. So now we have know the right. अब आपको इसमें से सही वाला टिक मारना है. 3, 2. 32 plus 5 is 82. So student, if you will see here, if you will notice here, what is happening here? 5 is at the ones place, but here it is written in the tens place. So the answer is wrong. Okay. Now 3 and 2, that is 32 plus 5 are 37. This is the right one because all the digits are put it at their place. Okay. So write the 5 ones under the ones column. Now example number 2, add 21 and 5. The step number 1, as we know, adding the ones. So 2 1 21 plus 5, that is 21 plus 5 26. But how we will do it? By adding them. So 3 plus 4 5 and then plus 1 6. So 6, write 6 at the ones place. Now adding the tens. The step number 2 says add the tens. So 2 plus 0 are 2 tens. Okay. Let's do add. Here we are provided with some columns and the digits. One I am doing for you and the others you have to do by yourself. 14 plus 3. So 4 plus 3. That is 4 and forward counting to 3. 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we write here 7. Step 1 is completed. Now step 2. What step 2 says? Adding the tens. So 1 tens and none tens. So 1 plus 0 tens makes 1 ten. So the answer is 1 10 7 ones, that is 17. Now here are some questions for practice. Add. Here, one I am doing for you and the rest one you have to do by yourself. 46 plus 2. 2 will be at the ones place and 46 at the tens and ones place. So 6 and forward counting to 2. So 6, then 7, then 8. 8. 8 ones. Okay. Now 4 plus none tens. So 4 plus 0 are 4. So the answer is 48. Okay. Likewise, I did here. You have to complete these all sums. Now we have the topic add 2-digit numbers. So now we will add 2-digit number. Okay. So add 34 and 21. You will see here the both numbers are of 2 digits. Now step number 1. What step 1 says? As we all know, adding the ones. So add the ones. 4 ones plus 1 1 gives us answer of 5 ones. So firstly we will make a column. Then we will write the values and then we will plus it. 4. Then forward counting to 1, that is 5. Okay. Now step 2 says adding the tens. 3 tens plus 2 tens equals to 5 tens. So 3 then forward counting to 2, that is 5. So 5 5 55. So the answer is 55. 5 tens and 5 ones. Now add 53 and 34. Add the ones. 53 and 34. So here is 4 and 3. When we add 4 and 3, we get the sum of 7. Now adding the tens, 5 plus 3 are 8. So the answer is 87. 87 is the sum of these particular 2 digits. Similarly, this you have to do by yourself. Okay. Now we have add the following and here are the sums of 2-digit numbers. So when I am doing for you, again rest of the parts of this question you have to do by yourself. Now 26 plus 13. So we will write the values in the column, put the values in their places. 6 plus 3 are 9. 2 plus 1 are 3. So likewise I did here, you have to complete these questions. Now we have the topic of regrouping tens and ones. Break up the ones and rewrite as shown. So here what we have to do, we have to break the ones. We will provide it with the 2-digit number for ones. Then we will break it. See how? 7 tens and 18 ones. Here it is written 18 ones. That means this 18 ones has 10 ones and 8 ones. What I did here? Breaking of ones. Now this 10 is again 110. And then we can add this 110 to this 7. So it will be 8 tens and 8 ones. Like here it is done. 8 tens and 8 ones. Similarly, you have to do these questions by yourself. When I am again doing for you, 4 tens and 10 ones. 10 ones means 110. So this 10 one will convert into 110. So 110. Now 4 tens plus 110 is 5 tens. So as answer we can say here 5 tens and 0 ones. Okay, so the answer is 50. Now we have the topic of addition with regrouping. Here is the concept. Okay. Example, add 46 and 36. These two numbers are big numbers. Okay. So step number 1 is, as we all know, adding the ones is always our step number 1. So adding the ones, firstly we will make a column. Now we will put the values at their places. Now adding the ones, as you can see here, 6 plus 6 are 12 ones. And we know 12 ones can be broken into 110 and 2 ones. So 110 and 2 ones as written here. Now step 2 says adding the tens. How? 4 tens plus 3 tens plus 1 10. This is carried over tens. So 4 tens, 3 tens, 1 tens make 8 tens. So we will write 8 at the tens column. As the answer we get 82. Okay, 8 tens and 2 ones. Now we have, let's do activity. Add these numbers. So one I am doing for you and the rest of the parts you have to do by your own. So 26 plus 17. So firstly we are taking a bigger number. Now forward counting to 6. So 7, then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. 13 means 13 ones means 1 10 and 3 ones. So we will write here 1 at the carried over place and 3 at the ones place. Now simply add the tens. 2 tens plus 1 tens plus 1 tens. That is 4 tens. So as answer, as a sum we get 43. Now simply you have to do these questions by yourself. Now this is the exercise of adding. Here again the sums are for regrouping. So we have to do here regrouping. So 9 plus 6. So simply forward counting to 6 from 9. 9, then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we will write here 5 and the 1 at the tens place. Now add the tens. 2 tens plus 1 tens plus 1 tens make 4 tens. So answer is 45. Simply, likewise I did here, you have to complete this exercise by yourself. Now we have mental maths portion. Lucy has 30 rupees and Jack has 50 rupees. Together they have 30 plus 50 rupees. So, here is the word problem. आपको पता है ना word problem क्या होती है? हमें कोई situation, कोई केस दिया होता है जिसमें से हमें digits को पकड़ के उनका calculation करना होता है. So simply here it is written that Lucy के पास 30 rupees है, Jack के पास 50 rupees है. Together उनके पास 30 plus 50 rupees है. That means 30 and 50. उन्होंने उसे together रख दिया. Now we will do addition of them. So in a digitalized form, what we will do? 30 plus 50 and we will add the ones, then add the tens. Okay, so it is think 3 plus 5s are 8, 3 tens and 5 tens are 8 tens. Okay, now let's do activity add. First is 40 plus 40. So simply firstly make a column, then put the values, then add them, like adding the ones firstly, then adding the tens. 80. We will write here 80. So simply likewise I did here, you have to complete the let's do activity. Now we have word problems. What word problems are? Word problems are the situation or the cases we are provided with some values and some words to create a problem, but we have to solve it by taking the digits and calculating the answers. Okay, so for solving the word problems, it is very important that you understand the word problem. There are 26 men and 13 women in the park. एक पार्क में 26 men हैं and 13 women हैं. How many people in all? Total कितने लोग हैं? So 26 plus 13 are 39 people in all. What we did here? We did addition. Okay. Simply here are 23 plants are with flowers and 15 plants are without flowers. How many plants in all? So यहाँ पे बताया गया है कि 23 पौधे ऐसे हैं जिनमें flowers हैं and 15 flowers and 15 plants ऐसे हैं जिनमें flowers नहीं हैं. So total कितने plants हैं? Total कितने flowers हैं? So total कितने plants हैं? What we will do here? We will add them. So 23 plus 15. To write the answer, firstly we will calculate it. 23 plus 15. Now adding the ones firstly 5, 6, 7, 8 and 2 plus 1 are 3. So total 30 plants. So total 38 plants in all. There are 38 plants in all. Now, the rest of the part of this word problem exercise you have to do by yourself. Firstly, understand the word problem, then do the answer, found the answer. Now, subtraction without regrouping. So here what we have to do? We have to do the subtraction without regrouping. That means simple subtraction. Okay. Subtract one digit number from a two digit number. Example, we are subtracting 3, that is a one digit number, and a pot from 46, that is a two digit number. So step 1 says subtract the ones, that is 6 ones, as we will As we can see here, it is 46. Firstly, we will make a column, then writing the values. Then 6 ones minus 3 ones. That means 6 ones are there. And we are subtracting 3 ones. That means we are taken away. We are taking these away. Now rest of the are 3. 3 are left. So 3 ones are left. So we will write here 3. Now subtract the tens. 4 tens minus 0 tens gives us the answer of, gives us the difference of 4 tens. So we will write here 4. Okay. So the answer is 43. When we subtract 3 from 46, we get the difference of 43. Now let's do subtract. Firstly, there are here 85 is written and we have to subtract 2 from that. So firstly what we will do? We will do subtraction at ones place. So 5s were there, 2 were taken away. So what we will do? We will write 3 at the ones place. Now 8 are there. Okay. Now 8 are there and we have to subtract 0 from it. So 8 minus zeros are 8. So answer is 83. When we subtract 2 from 85, the difference is 83. Similarly, the rest of the part of this exercise you have to do by yourself. Now we have subtract exercise, subtraction exercise. 42 minus 2. Simply 2 minus 2. That means 2 were there and 2 were taken away. So the rest which are left are 0. Now 4 minus 0 are 4. That means 4 were there and none is taken away. So the answer is 4. So answer is 4040. So the difference of 42 and 2 are 40. Okay. Likewise I did here. You have to complete these all sums by yourself, by your own. Okay. Now subtract a 2-digit number from a 2-digit number. Now we will do subtraction of 2-digit number from a 2-digit number. Example, Mummy made 34 idlis, 12 idlis were eaten. That means मम्मी ने 34 idlis बनाई थी जिसमें से 12 idlis चली गई है, हटा दी गई है. Okay. Now 34 minus 12 idlis are left. जिसका मतलब है कि 34 में से 12 हट चुकी हैं, जो रेस्ट हैं वो हमारी बची हुई इडलीज हैं. So what we will do to find out the answer? Firstly, the step number 1 says subtraction of ones. So firstly, we will make a column, put the values, then subtract. 4 minus 2, that means 4, then take away 2. So the answer is 2 at the ones place. Now subtracting the tens. 3 tens minus 1 ten. 3 tens minus 1 ten gives the difference of 2 tens. So we will write 2 at the tens place. Now we have the let's do subtraction activity. 48 minus 15. We have to subtract 15 from 48. So firstly what we will do here? We will write here 8 units. Now subtract 5 from this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 were taken away. 3 are left. So you can see here we are writing here 3 at the ones place. Now at the tens place what we will do? 4 were there and 1 is taken away. So 3 are left. So 4 minus 1 are 3. 33. So the answer is 33. Okay. In a similar manner, this is all the question you have to do by yourself. If you found any query, you have to see this exercise portion of the video once again. Now we have mental maths. Sakshi has 60 rupees. She spends 30 rupees. Now she has 60 minus 30 rupees. साक्षी के पास 60 रुपीज थे, उसमें से उसने 30 रुपीज स्पेंड कर लिए, खर्च कर दिए. नाउ उसके पास 60 minus 30 है. That means 60 minus 30. Think 6 minus 3 is 3. So 3 tens are there. Only 3 tens rupees are left to her. Now let's do subtract 80 minus 50. To do these questions, you have to make a column by yourself firstly. Okay, 80 minus 50, so write 80, then minus, put the sign of minus, then 50. So 0 minus 0s are 0, 8 minus 5s are 3. So the answer is 30. 30. Okay. Now regrouping tens and ones. Break up the number and rewrite as shown. So what we have to do here, we have to break the number and we have to write the numbers. How? As done in the first question. 64 is 6 tens and 4 ones. That is 5 tens and 14 ones. See, हमने क्या किया था? एक टाइम हमने ब्रेकअप, एक बार हमने ब्रेकिंग किया था नंबर्स का, अब हम रिग्रुपिंग करेंगे. दैट मीन्स हम 8 टेंस निकाल लेंगे टेंस के ग्रुप से एंड देन वी विल ब्रेक इट इनटू वंस एंड देन वी विल ऐड इट टू द वंस. ओके, सी हाउ. 94 were there. That means 94 means 9 tens and 4 ones. Now what we can do here for regrouping, 9 10 can be 8 plus 1 10, 8 plus 1 10. Now this 1 10 will go here at the ones place and it will become 10 ones. 10 ones plus 4 ones, that is 14 ones. And that was left with 8 tens. So 8 tens and 14 ones were the answer of this question. Now 67, that is 6 tens, 7 ones. 7 ones. And it can be 5 tens and 17 ones. Okay. Now we have the topic of subtraction with regrouping. So what we will do here? We will do subtraction of the numbers with regrouping. So example number 1 says subtract 19 from 46. Two numbers are there, 46 and 19. Now step 1 says subtract the ones. So 46 minus 19. First we make a column, write the values. Now you cannot take away 9 from the 6 ones. What it is saying that हम इस 6 में से 9 को टेक अवे नहीं कर सकते हैं. There are 6 and 9 is the bigger number. So what we will do? We will make this 6 as the 16 ones. How? By taking power from the tens place. So this 4 will become 3 and this 6 will become 16 ones. So 16 minus 9 is 7 ones as it is written here. Now step 2 says subtract the tens. You have 3 tens left on the tens place. So we have 3 tens here. Okay. So 3 tens minus 1 tens are 2 tens. So answer is 2 tens, 7 ones, that is 27. Now subtract these. 56 minus 29. 9 cannot be subtracted from 6. So what we will do here? We will make this 6 as 16. How? By taking the carry. This 5 will become 4 tens. Now this 1 10 will go here and it will become 16 nines. Okay. Now 16 minus 9 are 7. Okay. Now 4 tens minus 2 tens gives us the sum of 2 tens. So it is 27. So the answer is 27. 27 is the difference of 29 and the 56. Two-digit number. So as I did in the question number 1, you have to do these questions by yourself. So now we have the concept of word problems for subtraction. We know what word problems are. Word problems are the question in which we have to calculate the answer. But how? We have to firstly understand the words. Like here, there are 35 children in class 1. 13 are absent. How many are present? क्लास फर्स्ट की बात की गई है जिसमें 35 चिल्ड्रंस हैं जिसमें से 13 एब्सेंट हैं. सो कितने प्रेजेंट हैं? दैट मीन्स 35 minus 33. We will make a column and then we will get the answer. Answer is 22. That means 22 are present. Okay. Now, what I am doing for you, you can see here, teacher had 58 sheets of paper. 36 were used for drawing. How many were left? एक टीचर के पास 58 शीट्स थी. That means 58 is the bigger number. Okay. Now 36 were used. 36 were taken away, or we can say that it is used. Now how many are left? Simply do calculation by subtracting. So 8 minus 6 are 2 and 5 minus 3 are 2. That means 22 sheets were left only. Okay. Now, as I did here, you have to complete this word problem exercise by yourself. Now we have fun activity portion. Add and subtract the following. So, first question is for addition and second one is for subtraction. So, let's do the addition. 30 plus 15. 0 plus 5 are 5. Now 3 plus 1 are 4. So 45 is the answer. Now subtracting it, 30 minus 15. 5 cannot be subtracted from 0. So we will make this 0 as 10 and this 3 will become 2 tens. Okay, because it has given one borrow to ones place. Now 5 subtracted from 10 gives the result of 5. Now 1 subtracted from 2 gives the difference of 1. So the answer is 15. So when we subtract 15 from 30, we get the answer of, or we get the difference of 15. And when we add 15 to 30, we get the sum of 45. So simply you have to complete these questions by yourself. Likewise, I did in this. Now we have completed our chapter. I hope each and every concept we cleared in this chapter are totally clear to you. Let's meet you in the next video. If you found any query in this chapter, please go through once again to the video. Let's meet you in the next video. Till then, keep on learning. Take care. Bye bye.